Your admin section is where you run the business side of Whisk Manager. This is the control center behind everything your clients see in their portal and where you manage the systems that protect your business and keep it running smoothly. Inside the admin area, you manage contract templates, portal features, business analytics, expenses, and profit tracking, as well as internal worksheets, forms, and checklists. These tools work together to support your orders, your workflow, and your client experience. Let's start with contracts, because this is one of the most important pieces of protecting your business. Contracts are created and managed entirely inside the admin area. When you open contract templates, you'll see a standard contract already created for you. This original contract should never be edited. Think of it as your master copy that you can always fall back on. Instead, duplicate the standard contract. Once duplicated, rename it in a way that matches how you work. Many businesses choose to create different contracts for wedding cakes versus custom cakes, cookie orders versus dessert tables, or delivery orders versus pickup policies. This allows you to stay consistent while still tailoring agreements to different types of work. Each contract template comes with pre-filled sections and questions already included. You can edit the wording, remove anything you don't need, or add your own custom clauses and questions. When you're finished customizing, be sure to click Create Template to save it. Once a contract is created, it's assigned per order. When you open an order and go to Portal Settings, this is where everything connects. From here, you choose which contract template applies to that specific order. You also control which portal features are enabled for that client, including contract signing, design approvals, messaging, client uploads, and payment visibility. We cover that in detail in our client portal tutorial. Each order can be customized individually, which means you're never locked into a one-size-fits-all workflow. You maintain full control over how each client interacts with their portal while keeping your contracts professional, organized, and consistent. Beyond contracts and portal controls, the administrative section includes powerful business tools designed to help you understand your numbers and make informed decisions with confidence. Analytics give you insight into how your business is performing over time. You can track trends in orders, revenue, and client activity to identify busy seasons, popular offerings, and growth opportunities. This allows you to plan ahead using real data instead of guesswork. Expense tracking lets you log and manage business expenses beyond ingredients, including rent, equipment, subscriptions, utilities, packaging, marketing, and more. Expenses can be viewed across custom date ranges, making it easy to review monthly, quarterly, or yearly spending. You can attach receipts for record keeping and tax purposes, and recurring expenses can be tracked automatically so nothing is missed. Profit analysis brings everything together. By combining income, ingredient costs, inventory usage, and expenses, Whisk Manager shows you the true profitability of each order. Instead of wondering whether a project was worth it, you can clearly see margins at both the order level and across your business as a whole. This makes it easier to identify underpriced items, high-cost ingredients, and opportunities to adjust pricing for long-term sustainability. Forms management allows you to use pre-made or custom forms. You can tailor forms based on the type of work you offer, whether that's cakes, cookies, weddings, or specialty desserts. Checklists help you create repeatable workflows for your business. From standard cake processes to wedding timelines, delivery prep, or cleanup routines, checklists ensure nothing gets missed. They reduce mental load, improve consistency, and help every order run smoothly from start to finish. Together, these administrative tools turn Whisk Manager into more than just an order system. They create a complete business management platform that gives you clarity over your time, finances, and growth. Instead of reacting to your business, you're able to run it intentionally, professionally, and with confidence.